Hey everyone, Ellen here, and welcome to Washington Watercolor. I really love figs. Not only are they delicious, but their shape is really interesting and their colors are just beautiful. For today's demonstration, I thought it would be a lot of fun to paint this bowl of figs. Here is a list of materials I'll be using for today's demonstration. I'll start by using my drafting tape to tape off the perimeter of my paper. This step is probably not necessary for this particular demonstration, but it's a good habit to get into. Then draw out the basic shapes of the figs and bowl. I'm starting in the lower right corner, but if you're painting along, you can start your drawing wherever is comfortable for you. Once I'm happy with my drawing, I'll use my PBO masking fluid to mask out the rim of the bowl. I'll wet my paints and then wipe out the paint from last week's demonstration. I'll begin by painting a very light wash of lemon yellow at the tops of the figs. I'll add the tiniest bit of Windsor Violet to my yellow to paint the fleshy outer rim of the lower figs. I'll pre-mix some colors that I think will work for the figs. First, I'll mix my maroon perylene along with some quinacridone magenta. In a separate area, I'll mix my Windsor Violet with a little bit of Prussian blue. Third area, I'll add some Windsor Violet to some neutral tint. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'll start by applying my color to the figs in the upper left-hand corner. Since these figs are in the background, they're not as important, so I thought it would be good to work out some of my colors and everything on these figs. I'll add a touch of sap green to the stem too. The plan is to work this one fig at a time. And I'll use my blow dryer to dry each fig as I go along. I'll use a damp brush to create the ridges in the fig. This fig has a warm glow, so I'll use a little bit of my Windsor Orange first before using my other colors. I'm just working this one fig at a time, so I'll use the same method for every fig in the bowl. I'm pretty happy with the figs in the bowl, so now I'll start working on the lower two figs. First begin by using my Winsor orange to paint the darker hole within the fig. I'll add touches of Winsor violet. Paint the little seeds going around, and I'll pay particular attention to their direction. I'll add a touch of quinacridone gold to add a little warmth to the area. It's time to paint the bowl, and I'll use some of my darker fig mixture, some of the nice blues and purples, in order to paint this bowl. I'll paint the cast shadows of the bowl and the figs along with this. I'll mix some Winsor violet along with some neutral tint, a little bit less water, to get some of the darker shadows and accents that I see within the bowl of figs. I love the sharp edges of a cast shadow. Okay, let's remove the masking fluid and add a few last touches. I hope you really enjoyed watching these figs come to life. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support my channel. This quick demonstration took me an hour and 20 minutes to complete. Okay, let's give it a sign. Thank you for watching.